guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to do another tutorial on how to dance like Michael Jackson. So this tutorial is how to do the James Bond shuffle. He does it a lot on Billie Jean and lots of other things. Michael Jackson does it a lot. Anyway, so this dance will be really cool and it's very easy to learn. It has just 3 steps and looks really good. So I'm going to just show you this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. So let's go down to the tutorial. So this is how I'm going to do the move. There are only 3 steps to this move. It may look hard, but it's actually very simple. So these are the steps. This is the first step. You put the leg of your choice on the tip of its toe and keep it like this. This is not staying like this. Staying like this. It's bent to its left side a bit. Then you're going to move both legs this way. And as you end the process, you put it down. That's the second step. And then you repeat the process of the first step, except this will be on its toe this time. Like that. Then you do the same thing, just backwards. First step, second step, and third step. First, second step, third step. So you are doing pretty much the same thing, just forward and backward. It creates a very good effect while you do it. First step, second step and third step. Just do it backwards. Now you have to practice this for a while and then you'll get used to the moves. Then you can use them very fast, as I am doing now. But this will take you some time to do this. You need to practice the moves. Once you get used to them, you can do it like this. So that's how to do the James Bond shuffle. First step, put them together, and the last half step in reverse. It's very easy. Come on! So when you do this move and master it, you can just do the move. You don't even think about it. You have mastered it so much. You just do it. See, I'm just talking. I can do whatever I want. I can do whatever I want. I'm just talking and doing it, cause you remember the practice. Now while you do this, you can do another addition to your body. While you do this, you can snap your fingers. Do the move and snap your fingers, just like that. Michael does it. So thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, more tutorials. Next time I'll be posting a video of me doing Billie Jean probably. After that I'll be posting how to do Billie Jean performance in extreme detail and lots of other videos. Don't forget to subscribe.